In this video, we're going to look at how to write the equation of an exponential function when given 2 points. So first thing we're going to do is define an exponential function. It's of the form y equals a times b to the x. A can't be 0, b has to be greater than 0, and b cannot be 1. The key to this whole process is knowing that your y-intercept is of the coordinate 0, a. The reason why is if I were to plug in 0 for x, I get y equals a times b to the 0 power. Well, anything to the 0 power is 1, so that cancels out. So if I plug in 0 for x, I get that y is a, and that gives me the coordinate 0, a for my y-intercept. That is the key to this whole process. So in this video, we're just going to look at this worked out guided example for us. And then the next video, we'll do a couple of practice problems. So I'm given the coordinates. So I'm given the point 0, 5, 4, 3,125. What you do is you line it up. You see that this is your y-intercept. And so that means it's the coordinate 0, a. So this tells you right now that a is 5. The next coordinate, what you do is you know this is an x value and this is a y value. So you let x be 4 and you let y be 3,125. And so you know what the form of an exponential equation is, y equals a times b to the x. And you just plug in what you know. Y is 3,125. A is 5. X is 4. And so if I wanted to solve for b here, I would divide both sides by my 5 to get rid of the coefficient. And that gives me 625 equals b to the 4th power. Now, what we can do from here is two things. We can realize to cancel out the 4th power, you take the 4th root. And so you can take the 4th root of 625, or if you remember rational exponents, you can raise 625 to the 1/4 power. And that gives you 5. And that's not your answer because I want the equation. And so that tells me b is 5. So what do? For the equation, it's y equals your a value, which is 5, times your b value, which is coincidentally has to be 5, to the x. And that is your equation. And so we're going to look at two examples in the next video. Make sure you read these two paragraphs on how this process works and be familiar with this guide example before moving on.